All right, temperatures outside are in the upper 40s and low 50s across the area this morning. Again, chilly start to the day. We got some changes on the way. Been building in a warmer air mass ahead of the system that brought the rain yesterday. Now we've got another front on the way. So today is still a mild day for this time of year. Upper 60s, low 70s. Will top out around 71 in the warmest spots of northwest Arkansas. Winds are a lot lighter today as we start to go late afternoon, heading really into the evening hours. That's when we'll start to see a northwest wind take over. That's going to be our next front. So it holds off late enough in the day that, again, we still have plenty of sunshine warming us up with this overall mild air mass. We'll probably see more lower 70s in the River Valley than we will in northwest Arkansas. And I think northwest Arkansas will mostly be dominated by a lot of upper 60s. And then the higher end into the low 70s, I think the River Valley will mostly just be low 70s with some upper 60s mixed in the cooler spots. No rainfall for today. We're going to be drying out the next several days. Cooler air to the north of us. Here we are. This cooler air is making its way south across the plains today. As we get into tomorrow, look at the temperatures. 20s in Bismarck, 33 Minneapolis, 50 Kansas City. What does that mean for us? Yeah, big change. So we'll see that cooler air. This next front that comes in later today, this one does have a push of cooler air coming out of Canada and across the plains. So we'll be cooling down the next couple of days. 50s for highs for Wednesday, northwest Arkansas, upper 50s, low 60s in the River Valley. So about a 10, 12 degree drop in highs as we go into tomorrow. And then again, we're going to have some chilly nights. To get that cooler air mass in, we're going to be dipping into the 30s the next couple of nights. We'll have upper 20s, at least in spots. We may even have some mid 20s. We may see more widespread 20s just in general across all of northwest Arkansas on Friday. So a couple of nights there where we'll have some freezing temperatures going into Saturday morning. River Valley going to have some cold mornings. We'll have patchy frost. May have a spot or two. We usually have a few colder spots. So if we're looking at generally widespread mid 30s, I think we'll have certainly some areas, River Valley towards the Ouachita's, that'll get down towards at least a light freeze. Here's a look at the next 7 days. Again, pretty quiet for us, so we get to dry out some, which is great. Again, with all the rain we've been getting the last 2-3 weeks, we don't need any more rainfall for the next few days. We can afford to dry out a little bit. That's what we're going to do. Next week does look active, so don't worry. We're not about to kick off another 40, 50, 60-day stretch of no rainfall. Next week does look active. Right now, maybe around midweek, we could see some rounds of wet weather rolling through, which would be good spacing for us for sure.
Okay.